Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to create slow motion video in Instagram Reels using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using Android, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram app. And now just go ahead and swipe your finger from left to right. Okay, and now as you can see at the bottom part, you can see the options, right? So just go ahead and swipe it until you see the reel section. Okay, and now before you take your video, you need to set the speed of your video. Okay, so just go ahead and click on the 1x at the left side of your screen. And now to set the video on slow motion, you can choose between 0.3x and 0.5x. Okay, so for example, just want to choose 0.5x. So now when you try to take a video, and once you play it, you can see that the video is on slow motion. And that's it. That is how you create slow motion video on Instagram Reels. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.